camera on that bike, showing you how Poland riders